Guys, hello guys, good morning. So now guys, this is the Dodge Durango. Alright, so it is speed automatic transmission. So the problem for this transmission before, the water and the transmission fluid is mixing. Okay. So now we already replace this transmission fluid cooler, okay? But when we flashing by normal only, we put a new fluid and then we start and then we drain. I do 11 times, we do 11 times, but nothing happened. Okay, now I disconnect all connection to the pipe. Okay, and now as you can see, have leak. Now the transmission fluid is direct to the machine because I put two hose. Okay, this hose, okay, into the machine. Okay, so now the fluid is in the machine and in the transmission. Okay, no fluid in the transmission fluid cooler, but see, have leak. Okay, even I wipe it. See, I wipe it. Now see, before in the first start, no fluid come out there. Okay, but after the temperature 30 to up, the fluid or the water goes out. Now only the water, because this is the fluid cooler and have two pipe for the water. Okay, this is the cooler, and this is the hub valve inside valve. Okay, so this side is only transmission fluid, no water. This side is the water. Okay, and the fluid go. Okay, so this cooler need to change, have problem. This cooler have leak. Okay, so that's why how many times we flashing, but the same have water, still have water. But now as you can see, have water. This is water, this is not fluid, this is water. And the color is pink because the fluid, I put ordinary fluid to make flashing. Okay, now this is the color red together with the water, seem like pink. Okay, now I flashing the transmission. After this, I do another test. I will make pressurized for a radiator test. Okay, and then we will see if to determine the problem. Okay, thank you guys, thank you. Hello there, good evening. Now I flashing by the original transmission fluid. So this is the new. Okay, this is the original asli. Okay, so this is the old, so the red color. Okay, mix. Okay, now the car is working. I make by the machine. Assalamualaikum. Dalhin na nasawi flashing asra alba. Okay, so 18 karton. So dalhin ada jadid o hada gadim. So bagi suya. Okay, so lazim hada akmar roh, lazim hada gadim, lazim sim hawa. Okay, asan hada tijari. Okay, so bukra antay ji yani tajib yani maratani 18 karton, yani 18 karton hada asli. Okay, so thank you Madir, thank you. So ada mubaret kois mapitirib kois dalin narakip barin syugol mapitirib. Okay, so thank you.